Hey guys, Henry from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about the PuzzleWiz section in BookBolt Pro. Now, before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know that here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So, if that's the sort of thing you're interested in, how about you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Hey guys, have I got exciting news for you. If you would like a $120.07 discount, which is 50% plus a further 20% off the 50%, the link, just use the link down below in the description, and also use the product code ProductCreationFormula as written, and you'll be able to get the discount at $120 discount. So that brings it down to $79.92 per year for as long as you remain a member. So the link, you must use that link down in the description along with that product code ProductCreationFormula. It won't work with any other link. Okay guys, as I said, I'll leave more of a description down in the box down below. So let's go check out PuzzleWiz. It's part of the Pro membership. But what we're going to be having a look at right now is the BookBolt PuzzleWiz. Now that's only in the Pro section. We'll have a look at that. We'll click on there. And I'll give you a quick tour of what it looks like. I've already got one that's pre-downloaded. But before we do that, let's have a look at what's here. We're currently in the Sudoku section, and we're going to be having a look here, and we're going to make sure we have it with bleed. I always like stuff with bleed. And we can also do different sizes. They've got three sizes here. We've got the 5x8, 6x9, or 8.5x11. So you can choose this one if you wish to. Then you can go single side or double side. I like double side. And I think in this particular case, we'll go 40 pages. Now you can also choose the type of font you want. I might go down here and just choose one and see if I like it or not. Go this one. Yeah, that looks alright. I'll leave that font as it is. Now over here you can choose the difficulty level. You've got difficulty very easy. Let's scroll it up a little bit. Then you have easy, normal, medium and hard. Now of course the harder it is, the more squares you end up having. So let's go over here to normal. And we can either make this 9x9 or 16x16. I might make this one 16x16. Now you can include the solution, which I would highly recommend you do. You also match puzzles and solution pages as well as page numbers. And this way it just makes it easier for your client or your reader to find what it is they're looking for. So in this particular case, all you have to do is hit submit, and then it will think about it for a while, and then it'll let you know when it's ready to upload. But I already have it here waiting for me right here, and as you can see it's 81 pages, so I'm going to shrink this down so you can see what it looks like. And all we need to do is scroll down. As you can see there, the pages are numbered at the bottom. So it's page 1. Scroll in a little bit, expand that up. So it's got page 1 and obviously puzzle 1. And as you go through, you can go down and have a look. Now we can shrink that down a bit, make it easier to see. Going to go down about halfway, give or take, so we can find the solutions. And as you can see, we now have solution pages, which tells you this is puzzle 3, and it matches page 2 or page 3 I mean, and as you go through it matches it per page. And it just helps you to add extra value to your client. Now of course you now have 81 pages, which is fantastic, and you can scroll all the way down to the bottom till you have every one of the puzzles done. And the only reason why you have 81 pages is because you have the solution page heading which is right here. So that's the one you would upload straight into Amazon KDP. Now, another thing you can do, now we know it's 81 pages, we can go over here to BookBolt. We can go over here to your name, click on that. Scroll down here to where it says BookBolt Designer. You click on that and you log in. And then we're going to create a cover for this. So I'm going to leave that on cover. I'm going to have it 8.5 by 11, which is this one here. I'm going to be making this a black and white page, and I'm going to be making this one 82 pages. And then we're going to hit submit. And in a moment or two, this will create a page that we can now use to create a cover. So I'm going to pause the video until this is finished creating this cover for us. Okay, now we're back. All we really need to do in this particular case is go over here to shapes, wait for this to wake up. Oh, it's taking a bit of time, longer than usual. Ordinarily it doesn't take this long. But anyway, as you can see, this has got 81 pages, and this here is the spine. That's what we're after. Now I'm going to go grab this particular one, which is the rectangle. I'm going to expand that up till it covers the entire page. Now, I don't like that color. I'm going to be making this one white. There we are. Now over here, I'm also going to go to the images. I already have an image ready to go. To get the image, all I had to do is go here and create it and put it up here. So I'm going to click on that. And this one here matches what we're doing. So I'm going to now expand that up till it covers the entire page. Drag it across so as it fits inside the bleed. Now I can make it cover the entire thing, so I'll just do it that way. Yeah, that'll do. That's very nice. Okay, so as you can see, might bring that down just a little bit more. It doesn't matter if it goes over the bleed because it'll just get cut off there. And as you can see, it has got the Sudoku, gentleman doing a Sudoku, sitting at his desk with a cup of coffee in the morning, getting ready for work by the looks of it. Now, of course, you can add a bit of a blurb here if you wish to by adding some text. Then all you have to do is just add whichever one you want. You can maybe make it match this one if you wish to. So you can go through and have a look at the various types of fonts they have. And they have literally got thousands upon thousands of different fonts here. You can go here and you can scroll through and have a look at all the thousands of different fonts that they are using, that they're recommending. And they literally have thousands of them. So you can scroll through and find whichever one you want to put in here to help with the SEO. And then once you've done this and you've got it all the way you want it, all you need to do then is just download it. And once you've downloaded it, you can then add this to whichever folder you're keeping this into. And once it's finished downloading, I will keep this into my Sudoku section. There we are, it's now ready to download. All I have to do is click on that. And here is the cover page. So it's 8.5 by 11. And this is what you would upload into Amazon KDP. And with that, you would also upload your puzzle, which is this one here, all 81 pages. And you would then upload that into Amazon KDP, and then you would end up having your entire puzzle ready to go, and you'll have your own very own activity book that you've created. Okay guys, now it was really quick, really easy, really simple, and if you liked this video, please consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, and while you're at it, why not share? Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.